So just making sure that you're sitting comfortably, even if you're feeling a bit frustrated, tense right now, at least setting the body up in a position where it can stay for the next 10 minutes. Eyes open, soft focus, and when you're ready, just taking some big deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, just focusing on that sensation of the body expanding. Taking in fresh air, the lungs expanding. And as you breathe out, just noticing how the muscles in the body soften as the body lets go. And with the next out breath, just gently closing the eyes. Feeling the weight, the body pressed down. The mind probably quite busy right now. Just letting those thoughts, any feelings just come and go. Just letting the mind do its own thing. No need to control it, to direct it. Just allow those thoughts do their own thing. As you just bring the attention to the body. Getting quite normal in this situation to feel a sense of restlessness or tightness in the body. Just beginning to notice how the body feels. Sense of ease in some places perhaps. Sense of tension in others. And then just gently scanning down through the body. If you find the mind is very active, that it simply won't stop chattering away or holding on to this one thing, you can just scan down with a little more speed multiple times, just scanning down from head to toe. Alternatively, going a little slower down through the body, even pace. We're just gently placing the attention on the body. And just starting to notice the breath as well. So often when we feel frustrated or angry, the breath behaves in a slightly different way. So take a moment to notice whether the breaths are a little shorter, sharper than normal. Perhaps deeper, longer. Notice where in the body you feel the breath. Is it in the usual place, or is it more around the diaphragm right now, more in the chest? As you place your attention on the breath again, just allow thoughts to come and go. Doesn't matter whatever it is or was the mind's thinking about, just allowing those thoughts to come and go. Just for a moment, bringing the attention to the body, to that feeling, the sensation of the breath moving. and paying particular attention to the out breath, that rising sensation. Noticing the beginning of the out breath. Noticing if it's a smooth feeling as the body breathes out, or whether it stops and starts along the way. And without forcing the breath in any way, just noticing the very end of the out breath. So just following the natural rhythm of the breath, allowing the thoughts to just do their own thing. That momentum of frustration will just play out in its own time. Just allowing the mind to do that, just bringing the attention to the breath. With each out breath, sometimes when we're frustrated, it's going to get a little stuck. Again, trying not to force it, but just allowing the body the space it needs to let go, to exhale. It's not always comfortable, this exercise, when we feel particularly angry. It just allows us to create a space where we can let go that intensity of emotion. So don't worry too much about the in-breath. Just allow the body to inhale as much oxygen as it needs. And then just watching, observing that out-breath all the way to the end. Allowing the thoughts to come and go. Nothing to do with the thoughts. Nothing to do with any situation that's happened, any particular person. Just letting the mind do its own thing. Bringing all of the attention to the body, to the breath. And just slowly allowing that feeling of lightness, space to remain. Just starting to bring the attention back to the body again. Again, still allow the mind to do its own thing. We're still with the body right now. Still with that feeling of contact of the body against the surface beneath you. Starting to notice the space around you, the sounds, perhaps the smells. Allowing the mind to gently rest in the body as you open your eyes. in your own time now.